Hi friends, I'm making this quick video for some of you guys that sent me a message and wanted to know the brand of chocolate that I use to make my chocolates. And also I'm gonna take advantage to teach you guys how to melt the chocolate using the Instant Pot. These chocolates are perfect for the whole year and you can never go wrong with chocolate. I want to thank you guys for spending time with me. I really do hope you guys like this video. And if you do, please don't forget to subscribe. God bless, and I hope I'll see you next time. Adios.